Hi, welcome back to another video. So we're going to we're going to we're going to do a car animation. So let's get our what should we get? Now let's get a car. The car racing game. No, this will be the player. The other player will be here. Do you get me now? Good. So that we know that none of the same players is just one and we made a mistake. It's like this. It's so visible. Now let's set the player. The player he doesn't know if he player or not. So this will be you. I know that he's the player. Now then we have okay. Now we are going to do like a multiplayer game, but some of you scratches are like impossible, but it's a fake one, so it's pretended to be a real one. You know what I mean? So we just do this. Just do this. Wait a minute. Edge. Like this. Like this. Like this. And get it like this. Yeah. Get this. Ay! Give me her back. Yeah. Now we just do this. Then this. Then another this. You get me? Then once key space is pressed, then there's 23 this that I've played. Then key space is pressed. Wait, where should we go? Key space is pressed. Motion. Move 10 steps. Oh, see? No! Space. Sorry. If you saw that too, very good. Meow. Meow. Okay, it's like the player's winning us. So let's maybe cheat a little. Cheat is not good, but in programming, it's alright. You know. Cheating in a game, you never Training like a tournament you never get ahead. Favorite chain in again. I should be faster than more hair. Okay. Series 55. Two. Like that. Duplicate that. We're going to do that when that is clicked. The same for this. So what this code does is that whenever I click there to go to that position. So when it starts with the edge, this is the edge. Edgy. Then touching the edge. Then it also come back to the position. When right arrow is pressed, that means when I press the right arrow, it has to move. So there's nothing saying that it's storing that for us. So it's why there's something for us. So I'm going to do for all. You understand why I did that. You laps. Your lap. Your laps. Change your laps by 1. Yeah? Good. I'm going to do play laps. So start play laps. No. I'm not even set it yet. Set this laps. Sorry. Can I hear me, Mom? Sorry. Nice. This is very nice. I don't know why I did that, but just keep it as such. So there'll be a timer, and how to create a timer? Very easy. Timer. I mean, it's all day long. Sometimes I will forget what I'm doing. I just create a timer, but I'm doing something else. Then change change timer and -1. 5 then. It said if else. So if else get this block, then if no, if player's lapse is if your lapse is more than player's lapse, player lapse broadcast new message. One. Else you lost. We're going to send that. We're going to set Mr. Boy here. So now receive new one. Like my nose is when I have my talent season, it's not the best easy for me, so you know what I have my talent season is. Please some of you don't know what I have my talent season is. Now see if you won or now see if you lost. See if you won, say that and same. One. Play, yeah, one. So this is an easy thing, okay? That's all it's just. Wait, but you have not finished something yet. If you have to add something, if it's like the time set to 0, so if then variables timer equals 0, and that's when you can do this. Go. New. Why isn't my timer? Oh wait. Oh no. First you should go here. Like that. Okay, one. It is going like extremely fast. Wait for a second. Everything to stop. Therefore, for a second. Therefore, no, 1 second. Yeah, stop all. Stop all. What is the other that to stop when you're finished saying it? We just do some finishing touches. You're done for the game. I want to see if the game really works. So we'll be here for a while. Comment down below that should recreate. Wait, I don't even see it. Did you see, guys, that you won or you lost? Okay, now let me just set it to stop. To here. Let's set it to 10. You all okay. I think some of you saw that. So let's add some fish in the treats. Maybe like click. Where will set. Apps and set your apps. And that is it for today's video. And I love you guys. Let's get to 20 subscribers. Let's share let's share it. The fun part. Share. Let's name it car. Maybe I'll put it in the link in the description. You will not know. Bye.